Sanibona nonke emakhaya kalibizo kikutlwanwa Gamodiba Ngwetsi Gangema, also known as Strawberry. Welcome to our show Iziki, a show that takes you through people's life journeys. Please help me welcome our special guest today. Sawubona Siswa Munjani.
Sawubona Strawberry, ngiyaphila njani?
And you had to choose the name Strawberry. Please tell us who you are.
Okay, my name is Wandile. Sokela Sibongo.
Waga?
Sokela.
Sokela. Oh,
Yes.
Sokela. What's the clan name Sokela?
Sokela abunzuza omwela se that's all I know.
All right. Nice to meet you, Siswami.
Hi, nice to meet you too. So Wandile, awukhulele born and raised in KZN, and then because of school and work ngasingeza la eJozi. So Wandile umuvela eJozi because of isikolo, and then so currently I'm studying full time and working part time.
Okay.
Working part time as a fitness instructor. Yeah, ngiyachimisa lapha phakathi race.
Okay, so mawuza for isikolo, uze for isikolo at which age? So mdala after post matric for post matric or usasemncane and moved to the side?
Ngizelana after matric.
Okay.
Yes. So mangithe mangiqeda isikolo ngaza but ngizange straight eJozi, ngiqale ngahamba ngayo eThekwini ngiyofuna isikolo and then ngangasithola, and then I came to Joburg.
Wandile unawo ama siblings, Wandile ukhuliswa ubani, Wandile bekahlala nobani, Wandile bekumntwana onjani?
Okay. Akhona ama siblings nginawo, so ngikhule nginosisi omdala, and then from my mother's side,
Okay.
and then kuba khona abanye osisi bami futhi abayi4 from my father's side.
Okay.
Yes. Ngikhule ekhaya ngikhuliswa ugogo nomkhulu. We're a family of 4, and then umkhulu wasikhulisa until until 2021, washona ngo2021, and then ngasala ngikhuliswa ugogo, and then eventually ugogo ngamthatha ngamse old age home, so ngisele ngiyi1 manje.
Mawuthi one, your sister, what happened to your sister? Did she pass on as well or?
No, ukhona uhambile ekhaya.
Oh,
She decided
okay.
to leave. Uhambile nje ekhaya.
Oh, okay, not a problem. Ngiyakuzwa ke mntana sekhaya. So now you come to eJozi, and you come to eJozi. So uzofunda isikolo bese sesikhona isikolo. Please just take us through your journey.
Oh, okay. Angeke ngisho ukuthi bese sikhona isikolo, but ngithe mangiqeda umatric uyazi ukuthi life after matric sometimes usufuna ukuhamba from your hometown to look for better opportunities. So ngithe mangiqeda isikolo ngahamba ngaye I went to Durban hoping ukuthi ngizosithola isikolo, ngahlala lapha nje for a few months, and then eventually mangithola i-call from my family side, bangibiza bathi ngize eJozi for i-shoots yeMoja Love. For i-shoot yeMoja Love, so that ngizokwazi ukuthi ngiclaim izinto zakababa, and then that's when ngizela eJozi.
So into zikababakho mawuthi uclaim into zikababakho, your father passed on as well. I
Yes,
understand.
he passed
At which
on.
age?
Njengoba ngisho ngikhuliswa ugogo ne, so ubaba ondlule emhlabeni ngo-20, I was 9 years.
9 years.
Yeah,
So did you
at the
guys
age
have a
of 9
relationship? Benazana nobabakho, beningazani wena so ubona abantu bakulanda bathi hayi waza sizoclaima mntana sekhaya ngoba phela kunjalo. Mase sekhona amafa khona imali basazi labantu. Yes.
I wouldn't say ngibe nayo relationship nobaba because bengimncane kakhulu.
Okay.
But ngimbonile, ngiyamkhumbula yena kancane. And then yeah, gona shame undlule emhlabeni ngimncane, so after kushona kwakhe vele kube khona abantu abaningi abafuna ukungenelela because of imali and what not. I would say my father was rich, so kuba khona abantu bafuna ukungena and then bafuna ukuclaim imali, imoto and everything, ama-flats and what not.
So your father, askizi ukungena emlomeni. So your father was a businessman.
Yes, he was.
Is there anything that you know about your father that you can take us through? Maybe because ngikuva ukhipha legama elithi rich. Legama li rich vele. Legama elithi rich utasekhaya. So manje wenza sibe ne interest. So angifuni ukuthi silahleke kakhulu, understand, so that even our viewers at home can understand ukuthi sisukaphi siyapi. So far what we understand nangu usiswandi sinaye lana, usiswandi khusa ugogo nomkhulu, usiswandi ukhulele sadini lakhabo mama. those isizwana zangasishele ngomama but ayibekhona umama naye ke ishuthi she passed. And then usiswandi unobaba who was rich. Usiswandi baba lo beka rich. They didn't really have a relationship because Siswandi was still young. But did you ubaba maintain you? Did you baba come and visit you?
Yeah, he did. Okay, I didn't mention Ipataka mom.
Oh,
Mama also passed on when I was young, very young. It's a very young age. I think I was 3
So
or
you
4
can't
years
really
old.
remember.
So angisamkhumbuli kahle. Yeah, and then ubaba, I had a relationship naye. Bekafike ekhaya azongivakashela and angithathe. And yeah. So nje ngikhule ngathi bese close naye because ingane zakhe ubenofika asihlanganise sonke until the age of 9 and then wabe sendlule emhlabeni.
Oh. So he was a responsible man, I can say.
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was.
So uthema kandlule emhlabeni, you know umuntu manje imali kuba njani. Noma ezinye izinto zakhona ngasasikhumbuli kahle because I was still young. But engikhumbulayo ukuthi bekumuntu onama flats, unama taxi, imoto and what not. So bekukuningi nje kukhona ne stepmother kwangenelela I stepmother manje. So I stepmother lesi sifika manje sisi after kushona kwakhe ubaba. That's when basifonela ukuthi okay guys izani nizoclaim izinto zakababweni nize kuphi. That's when manje bayaqala basibiza ukuthi okay ubaba kunani. That's when nami ngiwabonile ama flats mangifika la eJozi ukuthi oh now ama building mos nazi izinto zakababa manje why singanazo lezi zinto lezi. So bengifuna yonke leyo information. So when I was in Durban ne bangifonela bangitshela ukuthi Swandile iza la kuyashuthi show yaka Moja Love kukhulunywa ngendaba yezinto zakababakho. So ngaphuthuma ke nami ngagibela ngeza eJozi because of ngifuna ukuzwa kahle indaba le. Unfortunately ishow yapostpone until yakhanselwa indaba yakhona. So abasisibamba ngifonela bathi no Wandile the show has been cancelled so asekho isidingo sokuthi uzofika. Only to find
but
out
usofikile.
Yes,
That's what you're saying.
only to find out ukuthi show was still there like yenziwe ishuthiwe iyavela.
Is it your sisters?
Yes.
So your sisters actually did get assisted from Gumoja Love at the end of the day.
They did.
So your sisters did get to claim izinto zikababa.
No, I wouldn't say basitholile izinto angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani because even the relationship yethu ayikho, we're not that close. Khona nje ukungathembani phakathi kwethu so angeke ngize ngazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. But decide ukuthi bangikhiphe entweni so ngaziyekela kanjalo.
You mentioned ukuthi baba bekanamabhilidi eJozi and you are currently locating eJozi. So my question is how do you feel mawundlula phambi kwebhilidi likababakho? Since uthe ngiyawazi ngiyawabona.
Ngifihla kubhlungu I wouldn't lie. Every time mangirent eJozi or mangicabanga ukuthi mangidlula somewhere I'm like ngizosela indawo but bheka ubaba onama building angakanani akho mnandi.
So currently who's running the businesses? The flat, the stepmother, and your relationship with the stepmother. Have you guys met? Have you had a chat? Have you spoke?
Bengikhuluma naye efonini when I was still young.
Okay.
The time mina nosisi wami umntanakhe relationship is closed that time until we decided not to talk after athatha ama flat lawo.
But have you tried? Remember with sometimes masingabantu we can make assumptions. And only to find the only thing that happened was we lost contact.
Yes.
But then mina nga assume ukuthi vele akasangifuni because of ngizofuna le yanto leyana. But the only time I can confirm that is by her saying to me ngiyakuvalela like ezami nabantwana bami, you've got no say like lezi. Have you tried speaking to her? Have you guys spoken about izinto zikababakho? Have you went to her and said mama bengicela ukuthi ungisize lana la? Remember at the end of the day probably like see everyone that will go after inheritance but would want to be assisted towards future yakhe njengoba uthe wena manje umntwana esikole. So probably you can go to her and say mama ngicela ukuthi ungisize lana, ngicela ukuthi ungisize laphiyana, you understand? So have you tried that avenue naye mhlambe?
Yes, I did try. I remember mangiqala ukufika la eJozi ngiqala ukubona ama flats lawa kababa. Ngahamba and then ngakhuluma naye because bathi nguye who's in charge of everything. So ngangena phakathi ngambuza ukuthi hayi man ngicela ukuthi ungi-explainele ngalama flats because I didn't know anything ngawo. Bengizwe nje kuthiwa khona but mangifika lapha ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ubani owara nayo manje lama flats. Imali khamba kanjani and everything. but azange saba ne-relationship right after that because wangikhipha
Oh, so uyaqhubungela manje.
yes
All of a sudden.
wathi sengiyangenelela, so after that azange saba nayo relationship, azange sakhuluma nje at all. Kwaba ukuthi ngoba naku sekaphethe lezi zinto manje akasafuna ukubona umuntu enganeni zakababa.
So your journey to Joburg was so accepted esikoleni ukufika kwakho lana, or no, vele you just came for a side hustle?
Bengaka accept esikoleni. I was still staying by my friend's place. Bengihlala endlini yakhabo mngani. So mangihleli kumngani kanjalo because ngiyabona ukuthi iviki beseliphelile and the show postpone, so I was like hayi athi ngihambe ngisifakela ama CV ngibona ukuthi khamba kanjani, and then luckily ngathola umsebenzi e-call center, and then I had to ngihlale la eJozi vele ngabatshela ukuthi no angisabuye eThekwini sengizosebenza la eJozi, and then ngahlala kanjalo ke la eJozi ngasebenza, eventually ngathola isikole.
So isikole, who's paying your fees currently?
NSFAS manje.
Oh, okay.
NSFAS.
Great. And then you're also making a living from your side hustle, which I don't really like to call it a side hustle because it's a beautiful thing that you're doing and which can be professional in future. So you're also making money from that. Tell us more.
Oh, about that thing. Okay, so I'm doing I'm doing a fitness. I work as a fitness instructor, by the way.
So what's that?
Yes. As a personal trainer already.
Are you not a personal trainer? Oh, so a fitness instructor does what?
You only instructing people now. You don't have a certificate. Like you need to be qualified to be professional. Yeah.
Oh, so it's not something that because I can do it now I can teach people. No. So when you instruct me, it's okay. If you want your ass, this is how you should do it.
Yes.
And I follow those rules, those instructions.
Yes.
Oh, so that's what you do. So, but you get paid for doing that.
Yes, I get paid. I would say it's God, because because I have love, I have passion for helping people, but only like the body goals and whatnot. So I was training abantu like 4, 5, 6 people. So like the building manager what's no one really like what you're doing. How much are you gonna charge us the overall amount for all the students school building?
You lie.
So kwenzeka kanjalo ke ngathi hayibo, but I don't have a certificate.
Yes.
Personal train. Wathi nje no, we don't need that.
We just need you.
We need you. Sitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani and then we'll pay you. Hayi man, ngaqala ngabajimisa labantu sababa 9, sababa 10. From there 80, 90 people.
So we're looking at how many students currently?
100.
Oh,
90
wow.
to 100 students.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, let me take you back kancane. Ugogo, what happened to Ugogo?
Oh, isitori sakagogo side kakhulu.
Okay.
But ngizozama ukusama up.
Okay, but Ugogo saphila.
Yes, Ugogo saphila.
Because you did mention with 2021 umkhulu washona nje.
Yes.
And the sister uhambile. So kusele wena nogogo currently endlini. So who looks after Ugogo? Who takes care of Ugogo wena mawungapha eGoli?
Oh, Ugogo akekho endlini. I had to take Ugogo to old age home because of the incident that happened home. So,
Do you mind sharing the incident with us or?
No, I don't mind. Ukuthi December 25 sigena saba ne-incident ekhaya. Vele bengasesikhaya right bese kuyikhaya la khona wonke umuntu angena asiphumela and everything. So yazi ukuthi kubuhlungu kanjani if usuke eJozi ubuyele emuva and then you find uthole ekhaya ukuthi hayi akusesikhaya right, so uyasaba manje and everything. So bese kuyikhaya nje we abantu bathathe advantage because bazi kuhlala umuntu omdala bazingenela basithathela whatever. Then eventually kwaba khona i-house breaking and then ngathola ugogo bamshayile bambophelile and she was also raped, and then I had to take her to the old age home.
Oh, sorry to hear that, my love. And how is ugogo currently?
She's doing very well. She's happy and ngiyabona ukuthi usendaweni right because usafe kakhulu. So
niyakhuluma wena naye, do you check up on her? And then endlini ke because wena futhi ungapha, who's looking after that house?
At the moment akunamuntu, so I'm planning ukuthi ngithola abantu abazorent bangene ekhaya bahlale khona because kuyindlu nje empty manje ngenamuntu.
So abomakhelwane, your relationship mhlambe banigadele?
Yes, kukhona umuntu ongibhekelayo
Oh,
umakhelwane
okay.
ofikayo akline laphana, agunda utshani and everything. Yes.
Do an activity. Oh, okay. So please tell us about the future yakho after your life journey, after the experience yaka babakho, you know, you've been robbed out of your inheritance. You've lost your parents at a very young age. And again, listening to your story, ngibona ngathi azange kahle kahle waba umntwana. If you are saying at the age of 9 years, both parents bebangasekho, and already when I was so big, remember we're talking elderly people la. Abantu esaziyo ukuthi at the end of the day mabase babadala, we look after them. That's why we are there. Thola ukuthi izukulu vele zikhula nabogogo for those reasons ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi basithume, bakwazi ukuthi babe nomntwana obagadayo, you know, who's able to do this, you know, those little things zasejardini. Now I reckon wena azange ube nayo i-childhood, did you?
No.
And how did that feel? Or how did it actually affect you?
It did affected me a lot because sometimes kunzima ukubalansisa ukuba mdala nokuba mncane at the same time, because I kind of feel like ngathi kuba khona ngine stage engiskiphile at some point because I had to take responsibilities at a very young age. Uyazi ukuthi kunzima kanjani ukuthi unakekele ugogo ngaphamele ufunde ngaphamele uhambe, but awusakhona ukuhamba because mele uhlale ekhaya ubheka umuntu omdala, uyabo. So it did affected me a lot.
And after your journey again, you told maybe a counseling, or do you counsel yourself through the fitness yakho yenzayo? Is that how you actually ended up going? Because some people, they find hobbies, and the hobby leyo, it's what actually helps them, it's what actually heals them. You understand? They don't really need the therapy. When they want to talk, that's what they do, resort in doing, and they're just fine, and they can live with nabanye abantu. But kunabanye abantu who needs counseling, because namhlanje it's not as easy as it is ukuthi uhlale nabanye abantu, you understand? So when I told you counseling, or how did you heal from this experience?
I would say ngihila nge-gym. I go to gym, ngasho ukuthi gym therapy yami and God.
Okay.
I did get counseling esontweni, ngakhuluma nomfundisi and the other assistants, ngawuthola usizo. So yeah, I would say i-gym therapy yami noNkulunkulu, because that's where I normally go to mangabe izinto sengibona ukuthi sezinzima. I go back to God. I run to him, ngimtshele everything.
I'm very
and
impressed.
I seek guidance from him.
Don't you all do? No, thank you so much. And please do tell us about the future yako, kids, having kids in future, getting married, also graduating. When are you graduating?
This year.
Oh, this year. Oh, wow. Okay. Please invite us. We'd like to go through that journey with you again.
I'll invite you guys.
Yes, your graduation, you know, just tell us about the positivity manje le obhekane nayo after all these hardships lezo ondlule kuzo.
Yes. Oh, I would say I wouldn't want my child or my kids to live the life that I'm living now. So that's why I'm trying by all means to work hard as I can ukuthi by keep it out of poverty and whatnot. So I see myself one day getting married, yes. And then
the flower you are, I believe you.
Yes, yeah, I see myself building a house. I see myself, having many properties and everything. So yeah, I should even this gym, ngibona in the future, I see myself building and having my own gym, assisting the communities where there's no gym.
Yes.
So yeah, ngasho ukuthi ngibona nje this thing ikhula.
And
yes.
Oh, that's beautiful. To our viewers at home, through your life journey, your experience, what can you teach them? What have you learned? What can you say to them? The youngsters, abakhula nabanga nabazali. I think one of the things that makes your story so beautiful is that at the end of the day, ayikho into eyakubamba. Today, sinama teenage pregnancy amaningi because of such. Today, we've got abantu who are now prostitute because of such. You understand? Because mangithi ngimamela isitory sakho kahle kahle une family awunayo, une family encane. So I want you to talk to our viewers at home, and maybe there's someone out there who you can encourage, you can educate, you can help grow. So just motivate us, Nje.
I would say Through our best ngasho ukuthi kuma life experiences I've learned a lot ukuthi you need to take full responsibilities of your own life, and also it's okay to fail, it's okay to have setbacks, but don't dwell too much on them. Noma ngathi impilo iza ngama challenges amangakanani, don't give up in life. And then I would say maybe to someone or ofuna ukuthi mhlawumbe afane nami one day, you do not give up you do not give up on yourself. You push hard, and then you work very hard also, and pray, because
It's the number
prayer
one,
works,
always.
yeah.
It does.
Prayer works, I would say that.
And anything else you'd like to say to our viewers? Or Aika? Yeah, you won't yet. No, but thank you so much, Mtana Sekaya, for having you in our show. And thank you for honoring our invite. We loved your story. We would like to follow you more, Futhi, especially when it gets to the part, Yamak vibration and everything else.
Yes. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure.
That was Iziki. Please don't forget, like and subscribe and follow us on our screen. Number 9 Lapo. You can also WhatsApp us your comments, everything else. No.
Don't forget to follow the coach.
Yes. Oh, and before you leave, we also have a voucher for you. Unfortunately, it's on a soft. It's on a soft. Sorry, it's on a soft copy. So now we have that for you, and it's a voucher from Macro, where you can go. I don't know whether we call it pampering yourself, or you call it what, but we'd like to give you that as a gesture to say thank you for coming to our show, and we really appreciate you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sandra. Have a good day.